platform called LabSoft.
LabSoft.
LabSoft. You click here,
LabSoft.
LabSoft. Okay?
Okay.
LabSoft, this one, I put it here. If you open, you have to change language. You have only language on English, then I have to put this one, then they not come again. Every time, if you open, you have to give a name. If you have a name, then it's okay. If you have a user name, then it's okay. Username, you can create username only if you want to open the first time. For example, if I open this one, I make, for example,
EPET. EPET. EPET.
P for puck or pen?
Pin.
Pen.
Like that?
Okay.
Okay. EPET. Then if you want to make password, you can create a password. There's no problem. 132, 133.
1, 2,
Then
3.
this 1, 2, 3. In this moment, if you click yes, then he creates for you one folder in your name. Okay. In this folder, you can open only if you have this password.
Okay.
Okay. Now you have to change course category. You have
Electrical
here
machine and drives.
Yes, machine and drive or power electronic. We take machine drive. Then we have course. If you have more course than one, then you can see all courses here.
For that, we have to install all the software. We have to install all the software for other
Take the
courses.
chair, please.
If you install course, then
it
will
will
come
come here, like-
directly.
Now start.
Okay. Now you can, if you open the course, this book, then you can see another books. Each book is one chapter.
One chapter.
Okay.
DC edition, one motor.
Yes. These books all belong to DC machine. Training objective. The first page here, you can see the training objective. Okay. And then the prerequisite. Yes. If you don't know these things, then it is not easy to follow the experiments and goals. Experiment, you can see here which experiment you can use. Look here, I can see here this one is used for this course, okay, as exciter. And then you use this power supply here, DC power supply, and then you use multimeter, this one, you use this load here.
So this is used now. This one is used.
This used, yes.
Not that one.
Both. Look here, to use this one as this one.
Where is this?
Here.
Oh,
I fixed
this is,
here.
What,
I fixed
where?
here.
This one. Where?
It's this one.
Is this one? Okay.
Okay.
So both.
I can put here. It's easy for you.
Why both? Too excited?
Good question. You can make tools.
I'm asking why you are using two exciter.
One as one as power and the other one as exciter. We have here two.
So that is separately excited.
Yeah,
That is separately
excited.
Yes, he is the master.
Yes. Okay, then we have here, if you want to make this course, you need these materials. All materials are here. Every material has article number. For example, here, DC multifunction line is this one, is SE. You can see the number here. Okay, then you have, for example,
Servo machine.
Servo machine. Is this one. This one is coupling shelf.
sleeve.
Coupling.
Name.
This is a coupling link in black one. Nicht this one, nicht shelf.
That is another. That is
Okay.
sensor actually.
Okay.
Coupling
And then cover is this one. Okay. Then we have here a multimeter. Multimeter you have here, this one. And then you have excitation, power supply,
DC machine.
everything. And DC machine we have it. It is first one.
Okay. No. Exciter of DC machine.
Yes, exciter of DC machine. Then power multimeter. Power multimeter is this one. Then you have set of safety measurement cables. These cables, safety connectors, plugs like these jumpers.
Jumpers.
Okay. We have in black, blue, and yellow.
Yellow.
Then this one is servo.
Servo.
Everything I said about this one, you can read it here. Everything,
Okay.
everything. Okay. This is the characteristic. If you find these things is not enough, you click here, then you have manufacturer instruction.
Okay.
Okay, you have to put that. Don't use recommended settings. Okay, thank you very much.
Need internet.
This one. No, not internet. Without internet. The first time we need to
Internet.
No, it's not internet. Without internet, these things are in C.
Okay.
We need only PDF.
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 Adobe Acrobat Reader.
Yes.
Oh,
I
you
don't
need
know
that.
about
Yeah.
It's not necessary. Normally, this one can do that. Material, this one, yes. Right.
No, it cannot. You
No,
are
no,
not
it
connected.
can. Wait.
Where is reader?
Yes, no. We need only to accept something because that's first use for this program.
Okay.
First use for this program, you need to accept something and then it's okay.
Make Adobe Reader my default PDF application.
Yes, okay. Now,
Now PDF is there.
okay, it's there. Like this one is the manual. Manual you can.
So this is very good.
Okay. Close all tabs. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Then next is this one. Everything I said.
Similarly,
is
we
here.
can download a
You
class.
can click. Then you have.
Next.
Okay. Next is about the machine.
Next.
Machine you can hear.
All the
Multimeter. This one.
Yes, multi.
Niche multimeter, power supply, DC power supply, current. You asked about current. Output
0 to
current
10.
is 0 to
0 to
10,
10 ampere.
and voltage 0 to 300.
300.
Okay, and you have here
Dimension is
and then you have here manual
Same.
process margin. You have an option. We don't use it here. You have here USB. Then you can also configure with this USB. Okay. But we have it here. This is only-
What is it?
You can
If you want to program-
settings, everything also with PC. Here is one CD software.
No,
Installed here or we have
No,
to
it's
install
not our problem. This is we use this one only as power supply for course. But the supplier here is not Lucas Müller. We buy it. Give us this one. Inside is software, driver, is everything.
to install it?
If you want to use for this course, you don't need to use this one. But if you have
academic
projects,
work.
everything you can use it.
we need 100 life for doing this.
100?
Life.
life
Okay.
100 year. Yeah.
Ah,
No, 100 life, not year.
live.
Yes, many things.
I think.
So many
Me too,
things
I
is
have.
there. So please fast.
Not fast. Okay. Then we have here this one. This is a regulated
Exciter.
power supply for exciting of DC machines. Characteristic is here. User
Again,
manual
we will
is
download.
everything.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay.
Very good.
Then servo
Active
active servo software. Active servo
This
software
is important.
is important. Yes. This active software is already installed. I installed directly here, and you can see that here. This one is this software. It's automatically integrated in LabSoft. You don't need to go here and then write active servo. If you go there or click here, this software will open. Then you have this software here.
When we
This
will have
software
to,
you use for the course.
now this is important, and now you can do something.
Yes. Wait.
And show.
So,
This
then
is
we
it.
have here, but because we done something, but we need to show you how you can start in the right in really start. Look here. This one is only for information about this software. For example, here we have videos tell you how you can use something. You can
Everything you have provided.
everything there. Okay.
Except mind.
Look here. We can here show you how you can use our system, make installation, make wirings, everything.
Thousands minds behind this.
Okay. Look here. That is only example here. It's only example. It's not for these machines, but only example. Here explain you the software. Okay. This one timing diagram.
Software? Or?
Yes, this is active servo. This one.
Yes, we are talking.
Explaining you this active servo, how you can use it. And we have safety things. This is very important.
Yes, safety is important.
And then shunt. This one is the first chapter.
Shunt wound motors.
You can learn here DC shunt wound motors.
Externally excited
DC motor. That's what you want to see. And then you have DC series wound motors, compound wound motors, externally excited compound wound motors, and then self-excited DC shunt wound motor generator.
Oh, sure.
Okay, all course you have here in detail. For example, here the first one. You click here, then you have training content only for these experiments. For these experiments, for example, you can make identification for motor terminals. For example, now you can know what is that. If you can see here, for example, here we have here rotor, starter on here, or windings. We have A is here, A2 is there, and these connectors is this point from windings. Okay, then the first thing, the student have to answer some question. For example, what is A1, A2? They have to choose here. What is that? Okay. Then this one, what is B1, B2? B1.
Field winding.
B1, B2. Who is B1, B2? B1, C1, C2.
But B1, B2 is not there. No, where is it?
Here, where is
Not B1, B2.
B1, B2.
Maybe for
C1,
other.
C2, because, maybe this one is for other motors. Need this one. What here? And then we can circuit diagram.
Cycle.
Then you have here plus, minus. This is for DC voltage. And then E. Then you this one is servo machine test bench. It's this one. Okay. It's main. I want, for example, to make this experiment. We do that. Okay. It's easy. I take my power supply. I take, for example, this one. Okay. I come from here, from plus. I go. I go here. Look here, DC plus. This one is plus. I put here DC plus. This one is DC minus. This one is DC minus. I go here. This one now I put here and here. Okay. Then I come out from there on there. Okay. From here on here. I need 2 cables. I can go, for example, here to voltmeter. Voltmeter for me, if I want to use this voltmeter, I can go direct to voltmeter. This one is plus, this one is minus. Okay? And then ammeter. Same point here, I can make shunt here. Okay, and then I can go from here, and then I go to the motor. Okay. I can put shunt, for example, here. I can go. Then I go to here. Then I come out from A2, and then I go to this E2.
Fill 2, fill 2. P2 is fill 2.
We can use jumper.
A2 is jumper is here. We can use jumper. Okay. And point we can go.
Yeah.
We have another things. Look here. This one is very for students is very interesting. Here we can put experiment. This one PC system. I need to connect this one to PC, and then I need to PE connection. I have only one PE connection to connect this one with this one. Okay. Then we have temperature. We have already. And then we have motor circuit. That's what we done. This one I go in, out. I go here, there, and then I need another one. Okay, and then we have another one from here. From here, I go to the multimeter here. It's the same. This point is the same. From here, yes. Look here. This point, and this point, and this point is the same. This one. Okay. Okay. What else? That's all. We have here A1, A2. Motor circuit we have it. Now exciter circuit. Complete with it. We don't use here exciter. Look. That's all for this experiment. Okay. What we need to do, required settings, servo machine test system, torque control mode. Okay. We don't need to use now the software. We can use directly the normal mode. I can go here I can take this one out, and I can go to the mode. Okay? Mode, I can use.
First of all, aim control.
Yes. But I need to show here everything. Wire the motor in accordance with diagram. Okay, turn on the servo machine system. Okay. Before turn on, I have to adjust something. Require settings, servo machine test system, torque control mode. Then we have equipment procedure, turn on DC power supply and limit output to 2.5.
This is important.
Yes. I put this one out. Maybe if I let here, it's no problem because the power is not directly out. I need to activate it here.
Oh.
It's more safety. Yeah.
This is yours.
कल एक हो गया बस हो जाए.
Okay, start. This one I need to make 2.5.
2.5 plus.
Okay, خلاص. Use the button to enable the output. This one. Why voltage? Voltage. I need to make voltage. How much? 250. Oh, this one. This one. You can click here, and then I can give 250.
250.
Enter.
Check it. 250. Yeah, down. The
Here, this one.
250. Okay. Next.
Sorry, here. Use the button to output. Slowly increase the voltage.
Up to 200 volt.
Yeah, up to. I mean here 0 first. Okay, no 0. Start first. Okay, and then
Slowly up to 200. Initially,
This is experiment. Student know to say in which voltage
it is
the
working.
machine start to
Yes.
turn, etc. That way we need to show you something. In this USB, we have here some question to answer. Huh? If you don't need to answer this one, you have solutions. These solutions are here. You can see option, read solutions. Then you can go to the drive, and then you have here course, Unijazan, courses, Unijazan, and then you have solutions. Okay, these USB I prepared for you. There is course inside, driver, everything, and solutions. If I click here for solutions, then I can see here for machine this course, and I take OK. Then I can see direct right answers.
Oh, okay.
Okay. For example, for latest pitch, you know. Yes, هنا لا فوق شوية هنا you can see the answer everything is with answer now. Look, diagram is this one is answer. Okay, I can show here, but student cannot see that if you want. Okay, you don't give the student this answer. It's not in PC, it's not installed,
It is in
it's
USB.
only in this USB.
USB.
Yes. And answers is very important
For the
I
teacher.
close. It's only in this account. If I change the account, for example, I put 1 inside. I change the account. There is no.
تمام.
Okay. Sorry.
تمام.
Fundamentals.
Power electronics.
This one is other topics. I can change topic here with this.
Electrical machine drives. Drive safe.
Snow. No
answer,
solutions.
no
No
solution.
answers. Okay. I can check another one again.
You have to filter also. Filter. Some saban.
Look here. What is the code?
Understand.
Oh, sorry. Cancel. The code was 1, 2, 3. For that.
1, 2.
3.
This is too long.